A growing body of research continues to confirm that what we eat in midlife plays a significant role in how we age, and a new long-term study provides even more compelling evidence that a healthy diet can set the foundation for a vibrant and disease-free future. According to findings published in Nature Medicine, individuals who adhere to plant-rich diets and reduce their intake of ultra-processed foods are significantly more likely to reach their 70s without chronic illnesses such as diabetes, heart disease, or cognitive decline. This discovery is not just about living longer, it's about living better, with improved physical and mental well-being well into old age. The study, which spanned 3 decades and followed over 100,000 middle-aged adults, underscores the power of nutrition in shaping long-term health. Researchers found that those who followed diets emphasizing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, unsaturated fats, nuts, and legumes had notably higher chances of achieving what they defined as healthy aging. This meant not only avoiding major diseases, but also maintaining strong cognitive function, mobility, and overall well-being. The findings reinforce what nutrition experts have long advocated: that dietary choices made in our 40s, 50s, and 60s don't just impact our immediate health, but can set the stage for a stronger, healthier future. What makes this study particularly exciting is that it offers real, actionable insights without prescribing a rigid or extreme eating regimen. The researchers examined adherence to 8 different healthy eating patterns, including the widely praised Mediterranean diet, the DASH diet, and the Alternative Healthy Eating Index, among others. While each of these diets has slight variations, they all share a common theme: more whole, nutrient-dense foods and fewer processed, high-sodium, or sugar-laden options. Encouragingly, the study found that individuals who followed any of these dietary patterns had a higher likelihood of aging well, meaning that people can choose the approach that best fits their personal preferences and lifestyles. A particularly hopeful aspect of these findings is that dietary improvements don't have to be overwhelming or drastic. For many people, making small, consistent changes such as adding more whole grains, incorporating more nuts and legumes, and cutting back on processed meats can make a meaningful difference over time. Even modest improvements in diet quality were linked to better aging outcomes, which means it's never too late to start making positive changes. Unlike extreme dieting fads that focus on short-term results, this study highlights the benefits of long-term, sustainable habits that can be integrated into daily life with relative ease. It is also reassuring to see that the benefits of healthy eating hold true regardless of other lifestyle factors. While exercise, sleep, and stress management all play important roles in aging, the study found that diet alone had a significant impact, independent of physical activity levels, body weight, or smoking habits. This means that even for those who may struggle with other aspects of health, making improvements in dietary choices can still yield profound benefits. The fact that these results were consistent across a large and diverse group of individuals only strengthens the case for prioritizing nutrition as a key component of long-term well-being. Of course, no study is without its limitations, and researchers acknowledge that this was an observational study rather than a controlled clinical trial. While the findings strongly suggest that better diet choices contribute to healthier aging, they cannot prove direct causation. Additionally, because dietary intake was self-reported, there is always the possibility of some reporting inaccuracies. However, the study's extensive validation processes and its large sample size over a 30-year period add to its credibility and reinforce the well-established link between diet and long-term health. The key takeaway from this research is that healthy aging is not just a matter of luck or genetics. It is something that can be influenced through everyday choices. By making conscious decisions to incorporate more nutrient-dense, whole foods into our diets, we can actively improve our chances of reaching our later years in good health, free from the burden of chronic disease. While aging is inevitable, suffering from preventable health conditions does not have to be. These findings serve as an empowering reminder that the habits we build today can shape a healthier and more fulfilling future.